Hey guys, it's me, Caitland. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad. I do makeup for humans, so if you're a human who's interested in makeup, you're in the right spot. Today I'm going to be unboxing my January Boxycharm. So if you want to find out what I got in this month's box and my thoughts on everything, keep watching. As usual, I have already opened my box because I like to know what's inside so I can put the other makeup on my face. And in the case of this month's box, I actually already used two of these products because they're not makeup, and I wanted to try them out and give you my thoughts on them, so we'll talk about those guys first. The first product I was really excited to receive in this box because it's actually a product that I've been meaning to try for a while, and it is this Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioner by Briogeo. This is a little spray leave-in conditioner. It has a nice little mist like that. And I already have used a lot of Briogeo hair care products. I actually use their gel in my hair every time I do my hair. So I went ahead and used this for the first time last night when I took a shower. I sprayed it in on my damp hair and then put the rest of the products in my hair that I usually use. And I think I really like this, guys. I feel like today my hair is extremely soft. It does look a little frizzier now than it did this morning because it rained here in Austin today and I was outside, so I got sprinkled on my hair. Full on lion's mane. As if it isn't always lion's mane, but a little extra lion-y today, we'll just say that. But especially before the rain, I felt like my hair looked very moisturized, very curly today, and I noticed less frizz and a lot of smoothness. I don't know if I overdid it on this product, guys, because I always tie my hair up in a t-shirt to dry it. I find it makes it a little less frizzy because towels are kind of coarse. And I took my hair out of my t-shirt and it was still dripping wet, even though I dried it for the same amount of time that I usually do. So I might have put a little too much in, but for my amount of hair, I almost feel like nothing is too much. So I really liked the results that I got from it, and I'm really excited to keep using this product. Let's see how much they say it is on a little card. Yeah, this is not their full size, which is kind of weird. I feel like the whole shtick of Boxycharm is all your products are full size, and they have a bigger version than this. But this one is $12. But I feel like this will last me a while, even though I'm going to use a lot of it, and I really enjoyed the way it made my hair look. The next product that I've already tested out for you guys is this mask by Tatcha. This is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. A lot of you might have heard of their Luminous Dewy Skin Mist that is super popular. This is the sheet mask version of that. I opened this up and I felt like there was a lot of serum inside of the pouch on the mask, which I was excited about because just one of these sheet masks is $12, which is kind of steep for one sheet mask. I know Tatcha is a more high-end brand, but that's a lot, so I was glad that there was a lot of product inside of here. I put the sheet mask on, and any leftover goopy goodiness I rubbed along my neck area because the serum in here can be used anywhere, and it felt really fantastic. I left this on for 15 minutes. I took it off, and then I just pushed whatever was left over into my skin and continued with the rest of my skincare for that night. And when I woke up the next morning, it was noticeable. I felt so glowy and so beautiful. That was about 3 days ago, and I still feel like my skin is really glowy and happy right now. So I really enjoyed this product as well. And I love Tatcha, and I want to try more of their stuff. So I was excited to see this in my Boxycharm. Let's dive into the stuff that I have not tried yet. Right now I'm feeling a little nervous because you guys know I'm very loyal to my one brow product that I use every day, the Anastacia Brow Wiz, and I got a product in this month's box for my eyebrows. This is the $1 Billion Brow Universal Brow Pencil. And the word universal for a brow pencil scares me because that means this color is supposed to match anyone's hair color. And I mean, there's a lot of hair colors in the world. Not all brunettes would use the same color pencil. Then you have blondes, redheads, all kinds of hair types. They're not all going to use the same shade. So I'm curious how this is going to be universal, but I have gotten a universal color in IT Cosmetics. Their brow pencil came in a Boxycharm once, and I actually really liked that. So maybe I will like this shade, but let's find out. Got a spoolie on one side. That's a win. I need a spoolie in my brow products. I need a spoolie. And this side is a little pencil. You can see him right there. And it looks like, yep, it's retractable. So those are all wins for me. Very similar to the Anastacia Brow Wiz, although the shape of the end of this pencil is a little different, a little less precise, but we'll see how it applies. No, 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 no. No, no, no. This is not it, guys. I apologize for how I look right now because this is not the one. There was no way I was gonna make this look good. I apologize for these brows. This was extremely difficult to work with and honestly one of the worst brow products I've ever used. First of all, let's talk about the shade. The shade is wrong. This is very warm, very warm. And I feel like if you were gonna do something universal, more people are gonna need a cool tone brow pencil than a warm tone brow pencil. Maybe I'm wrong about that. That's how I feel. And this is so warm. I feel like I look ridiculous. Second issue, it is so creamy and pigmented. It went on so dark and I would blend it out with a spoolie and it was not helping at all. And the creaminess meant that it was slipping and sliding after I put it down, so it was moving all around outside of the lines that I had placed down. My shape is just all off because I could not make it stay where I put it down. Third was this retractable part. I would roll it up to the point that I needed, but then once I started using the pencil, it would roll itself back down, so I had to keep rolling it up, and I was trying to like hold it right there so that the retractor part wouldn't move, but that's not where I want to hold it because now I'm pushing too hard. It was a mess, guys. This is a major flop for me. Just let's look at the price and find out. It is $18. Do not pay $18 for this brow pencil. This was a joke, a cruel joke on me, and I did not appreciate that one, Boxycharm at all. Next up, we have an eyeshadow palette. This one is by Tarte, and this is a Rainforest of the Sea palette, volume 3. I think there are only 3 versions. People got different versions in all their boxes, but I have volume 3, so let's take it out and see what kind of shades are in here. All right, so here is what the palette looks like. Guys, I'm seeing a problem right away, which is that these are all shimmer shades. There is only one matte shade in this palette. If you're somebody who doesn't own a lot of shimmers already, you might be excited by this. You have a bunch of options to choose from in here. Personally, I want a palette that I'm going to be able to do my whole eye look with, which means more mattes and less shimmers. I can already tell this is probably something that I'm going to gift to someone else who will love it and appreciate it. We'll see about the formula itself. But as far as a palette that I would reach for, I need something that has a transition shade, another transition shade, something darker for the outer corner. All of those things need to be matte. And then 1 or 2 shimmers would go into my look. So this is probably something I won't be reaching for, but let's see what we can do with just this today on my eyes. I'm gonna start by blending this one matte shade into my crease as my only possibility for a transition. This is not my video, guys. This transition shade is so light, you can hardly see it. I've been building this up, and it's just light and not super pigmented, so it's almost invisible, but let's keep going, let's keep trucking. Don't give up, Caitland, we got this. Okay. I look like I have no eyeshadow on my eyes. There is nothing. Nothing. We're definitely going to be having a very natural look today. I'm going to go ahead and run some of this along my lower lash line too because I hate leaving it blank, and I'm not going to put a shimmer down there because I don't like to do that either. So here we go. Nothing is showing up. Oh wow, okay. I'm not happy. I'm not happy with this box. Okay, that was pointless. Let's move on to the shimmer. Hopefully they are beautiful and pigmented because they're the majority of this palette. I'm gonna put the bottom color called Ray all over my lid. And I think I'm gonna use my finger. I'm hoping that packing it on with my finger will give me the most pigmentation with these. Y'all pray for me, hope that this is a good one because I'm getting frustrated. shimmery shade is decent. It's not insanely pigmented by any means though. I'm not blown away. Okay, let's try one more. I'm gonna go ahead and put the darkest shade, which is called Malibu, on the outer portion of my eye, just to try and darken it up. But I feel like no matter what, this is gonna be a very light, almost invisible look. Okay, I have those shimmers on my lid. This is what they look like, and Flop Town. We gotta take it straight to Flop Town, guys. I'm not a fan of this at all. I will still gift it because it's not horrible like that brow pencil, so I think one of my friends might get some use out of this. It is not for me. All right, guys, we only have one more product to try out, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some mascara, and then we're gonna move on to the lips because we have a lipstick to try out today. All right, I'm back with a little mascara on, and now it's time to do the lips. And I'm really excited about this product, so I really hope it doesn't disappoint me like these other ones. In this box, I got an Ofra liquid lipstick, and this one is in collaboration with Kathleen Lights, who I love and adore, and this is in the shade Havana Nights. This is a nice deep red looking shade, so I'm excited to try it out. It does retail for $20. And I just realized I did not tell you how much the eyeshadow palette costs. It is $36. Not worth it to me at all. But I'm really hoping that this lipstick is, because I love Kathleen and I have tried other Ofra liquid lipsticks and like those as well. Since this is such a deep shade, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips to give myself a nice little outline, and then we're gonna try her on. And this is the finished look. I'm just kidding, let's put on the lipstick. This is horrifying. All right. Okay guys, this is the lipstick on. I struggled with this dark red. If my lip shape looks crazy, I'm sorry. It's just gotta be very precise and careful with these really dark colors, and I did my best. It gave me a little bit of trouble, but I did my best to fix it up as well as I could, which meant that it had some time to really dry down. And what I'm noticing is that the red itself dried just slightly patchy, but it's so dry that I wouldn't want to put another coat on top of it to correct that, because I feel like it would get really thick and just kind of gunky and not look good. It also does emphasize any of the texture in my lips because it is dry, but I expect that from a liquid lip, so it's not a complete turn off for me. I just moisturize really well beforehand and it's fine. I think what I could have done is taken that lip liner and put that on my whole lip before I put the lipstick on instead of just the outline, and this would actually be really lovely. So this one is kind of a 50-50 for me. It's not horrible like the other two makeup products, maybe not my fave. As far as the actual color, I think it's really, really pretty, so I think it'd be great for a lot of vampy looks. That was everything in this month's Boxycharm, you guys. I have to say it wasn't my favorite ever. First of all, we only got 5 products in this box, but the value was $118 altogether, so it's still a really great value for the $20 you spend on the box. As far as the non-makeup products, I'm really happy with the hair care, with the skincare that came in this box. I think I'll continue to try using out this lip color, get a little better with it, try it with a full lip liner and see what we can do. The brow product, ugh, hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it. And the eyeshadow palette, just really not for me, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass that on to somebody else. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle real hard today. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know that you want to see more Boxycharm unboxings. I'll have a link below if you guys want to check out Boxycharm. It's not an affiliate link, I don't get any money from that. But if you want to check out Boxycharm, check out the description box below. Please make sure while you're here you are subscribed to my channel. Thanks so much for being here. Adios! This is the Luminous. This is the Luminous. This is the Luminous. So I can already tell that this is probably something that I will gift to somebody else. Burping. So sorry. That is, oh, let me do the math. Let me calculate